my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, this shit dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no diamond. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy BruhThumpIn, back at it with another lit banger, man. We turned up, y'all know that. That's every time. I got 3 problems, man. Song called Early Bird. We finna see how he coming. Smash that subscribe button. Run them likes up, run them views up, though. Let's get problems, man. Early Bird. He say Early Bird. Let's see what he talking about. Let's get it.
I told my nigga I know switching, they better hold me to my word. Running to the money, I get it, I'm an early bird. Still chasing the money, I know that feeling I was broke.
What he say? Running to the money, I get up, I'm an early bird. Straight up, early bird, get the word. I'm fucking with it. Let's get it.
Bitch say she don't love me, but she fuck me like she want me though. Staying on with that sack, I had them hard time when it was slow days. Running with that pack in my tent when it was snow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Glock 22 clip turn them to parlay. Eating crumb shrimp, I came from that bitch, now I cuss. Now I be 10 frying around, I came a long way from that.
He say eating crab and shrimp, I come from nothing, I came a long way. Straight up, that's real shit. Say when you come from the bottom, you don't eat like that. Get a little money, now you eat like that. I'm fucking with it. Let's get it.
Trying to bounce back, that cause frustration. Sit around with my strap, get it confused, and they start yellow tape. Told that bitch don't ever get it confused. I ain't the one to play with. I'm the type to lay and spray quick, get the top tats in the basement. All black gun, my gun is racist. Fresh tail up like it's the 80s. Shit chop her Slim Shady. Gave me top, she said I told my nigga I know switching, they better hold me to my word. Running to the money, I get it, I'm an early bird. Still chasing the money, I know that feeling I was broke before. Bitch say she don't love me, but she fuck me like she want me though. Staying on with that sack, I had them hard time when it was slow
days. He say, bitch say that she love me, but she fuck me like she want me though. Straight up, this shit too hard, man. I'm fucking with it, man. This a vibe. The beat hard too. Shout out to 3 problems. I'm rocking with it. Let me know if y'all fucking with this song. Blow them comments up. Hit that like button. Let's get it.
Pack in my tent when it was snow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Glock 22 clip turn them to parlay.
I pray a nigga don't try to play me like a bitch, cause I get a hit. Like I ain't come on standing on my shit, I'm worth at least some bricks. No way would I let a nigga hurt take me. No way a nigga hurt could ever say you made me. I done put some real niggas on so they can never.
He say no way, ain't no nigga out here say he made me. Straight up, he say I'm self-made, self-paid. On me, that's real shit. Catch them boys or you gonna miss them. Let's get it.
So many niggas change, I gotta keep my tooth. Oh no, say let's get them to work. They put them on the news. Niggas say they did what I did, but they ain't walk my shoes.
I told my nigga I know switching, they better hold me to my word. Running to the money, I get it, I'm an early bird. Still chasing the money, I know that feeling I was broke before. Bitch say she don't love me, but she fuck me like she want me though.
Say still chasing that money, I know that feeling, I've been broke before. Straight up, only the real can relate. A lot of niggas can't relate to that. Let's get it.
She want me though. Staying on with that sack, I had them hard time when it was slow days. Running with that pack in my tent when it was snow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Glock 22 clip turn them to parlay.
That was too hard, man. I'm fucking with it. 3 problems, man. That was too hard. Shout out to them. Keep going. Smash that subscribe button. Run them likes up, run them views up, though. Let's get it.
And my triple cup, that's 2 times 2. Man, this shit dogging in the wartime, so yeah, my eyes red, but I'm no diamond. If you gon' run it up, that's all on you.